Gawa sa kawali. Eyeliner. Okay, the designers here. Judges, questions and comments?
Why do you think your design should win over the others?
Tari ng question.
Because we spent the night conceptualizing this design. So it should really win.
Yeah, convince ourselves.
Hindi sila nagpuyat, ganon.
So ano po kami natulog pag-iisip pa lang ng design. Hindi kami natulog.
Ano oras kayo natulog? 7 a.m. Kayo. Eto, kanina pa sila nagsimula. Ano? Are there any more questions and comments? Ano, nag-usap talaga yung judges? Serious? Serious talaga yung judges?
Hindi, dina-admire lang namin yung daming elements eh. Talagang pinag-isipan, may shorts, may belt bag, may
Okay. May belt bag nga! Ano naman ang belt bag?
Kapel.
Kasi nga bawal sa materials.
Pwedeng umikot yung...
Turn around daw. It's the ribbon. It's the ribbon.
Para sa amin, no, kasi yung pack shirt series nga, very edgy, very out of the box, very in your face. So I think representation ng national.
Go Yellow!
By the way, the outfits of our judges are by pack shirts as well. Yung pang patal ni Nana, yung UP pair ni yung pack shirt ni Yago, at yung nice shirt mo na pack.